The tiger is India's national animal. Do you know what we do with all things related to the nation? Of course, we try to protect and conserve them, right? Alas, the national animal of our country has not had this fate. The first tiger census conducted in 1972 gave a shocking result. We were left with only 1,827 tigers. The government responded with Project Tiger in 1973, and the local population helped as well, which yielded fruitful results with the growth in their numbers. But how did the locals contribute? Let's learn about two such inspiring stories which helped India conserve its wildlife and ecosystem. Sariska Tiger Reserve is located in the Alwar district of Rajasthan. For years, it was known as the best place for tiger sightings. But in the past, rampant poaching and habitat pressures due to human activities wiped out the entire tiger population of Sariska. It became the first tiger reserve in the country to lose all its native tigers. Alarmed by the situation, forest authorities adopted specific measures to save the tiger reserve. The most significant was the relocation of the tigers. In June 2008, the first male tiger was airlifted from Ranthambore National Park and relocated to Sariska. A female tiger joined him in July of the same year. Later, under Project Tiger, more tigers were relocated to the Sariska Tiger Reserve. Do you think introducing tigers can completely solve the problem? The villages and the people living in and around the Tiger Reserve were also a matter of concern. Human-wildlife conflicts generally result in the loss of either one of them. So along with relocating the tigers, it was also necessary to educate the people living in and around the forest and relocate them from core areas of the forest when necessary. All these efforts bore a fruitful result that increased the tiger count from 2 in 2008 to around 20 in 2020. Here is another story about environmental protection. Have you heard of the Chipko movement? It is a non-violent resistance movement that started in the 18th century and aimed to protect India's forests. Chipko means to embrace or hug. The local people hugged the trees to save them from being cut down by loggers. The participation of women was a notable feature of the Chipko movement. They hugged the trees for several days and nights despite the threats to their lives by merchants. Their combined efforts saved a huge number of trees. This forced the government to take concrete steps towards the preservation of forests. The movement picked up momentum under the leadership of Sundar Lal Bahuguna, a well-known eco-activist, and spread to other parts of the country as well. Government efforts, along with the participation of communities, are very important in conserving nature. Together, we can create a better ecosystem for all of us. Let's summarize. Sariska Tiger Reserve is located in the Alwar district of Rajasthan. Due to rampant poaching and habitat pressures, the tiger population was entirely wiped out. Later, due to the consistent conservation efforts, tigers were relocated and tiger count increased again. The Chipko movement was another successful movement that helped in environmental protection. It was a non-violent resistance movement that aimed at protecting trees from loggers. In this movement, people hugged the trees to prevent them from being cut down. Earth provides enough to satisfy every man's needs, but not every man's greed. It's time for us to apply the teachings of Mahatma Gandhi and look for alternative sources so that these natural resources can stay protected. we will have to accept that our existence is possible only because of their survival. Stay tuned to learn more about such stories in the upcoming videos.